I started driving through the hills, told me to come and get you. No words convey the way it felt for me to finally hold you in my arms, just long enough to know. But somehow every joke you make is funnier each time around. Your laugh is such a perfect sound.